So it says here, Alex and Martina now live in the flat. Read their phone conversation. Fill in the gaps with some, any, or a. Okay, so this means we've got three options to choose from. We can use some.
Any or a.
Or, yes, any, or a. Okay.
Okay.
So let's read the conversation and let's fill in the gap. So you can start.
Okay. Martina, hi. I'm at the supermarket. Have we got any bread? Alex, yes, we have got a bird. We have any bird. I have any bird, but we haven't got a better, yeah. Martina, okay, so we need a better. Is there some milk? No, there isn't, and we need some meat and some eggs. Martina, right? Have we got a fruit? Any fruit?
Okay.
Alex, we have got a big bag of oranges, but we haven't got an apple.
Oranges.
Oranges, yeah, sorry.
But we haven't got
an apple. No, not an. Some apples or any. Some.
As you like. You can choose your answer.
Some. Okay, some.
Okay.
We will get any more fruit and a cheese, Alex, and can we get a big bottle of water too? Martina, yes, okay. See you later. Bye.
Okay. Now, before we listen and check the answers, let's check the answers together. So now I want you to show me all the nouns, okay? And then we have to decide, is this noun singular, okay? Or is it plural? And is it countable or uncountable, right? So we have to know each noun, the type of each noun, so we can choose the right word, okay?
Okay.
So let's start with the first noun here.
Bread.
Bread. Okay.
Yeah.
What did they use here?
Any.
Why did they use any? And when do we use any?
Because questions here.
It's a question, yes, but
and uncountable. Bird.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, so let's use colors. Let's use colors. I'll tell you what. Let's use for uncountable. Let's use. Where is that? Okay, let's use pink for uncountable. Okay.
Okay.
So let's use a little code color to make our job easier. So if it's pink, this means uncountable. Let's change the color of this to pink. Any word in pink is uncountable. All right. So this means let's look for the uncountable words first. Okay, so bread is an uncountable. What about here? We also have bread. And butter, what do you think?
Butter, countable.
Can we say butters? 2 butters? 3 butters?
No.
So if you cannot say 2 butters, 3 butters, is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Okay, so also pink box. And again, butter again. What about milk?
Uncountable milk.
Uncountable. Can we say 2 milks, 3 milks?
No,
No,
milks, just
milk. Okay. What about meat?
maybe meat 1 piece or not 1 piece, 2 piece. Just, but when you say meat, not uncountable here.
If you add a unit, 1 piece, 1 kilo, 1 bag, that's something different. I'm talking only meat without adding anything.
Meat uncountable.
Correct. Yes. Meat is uncountable. Eggs? Can we say 2 eggs, 3 eggs?
No, uncountable.
We can't say 2 eggs, 3 eggs. For example, in this cake, you need 3 eggs.
Yeah, when you this cake, but now here, eggs, you're not uncountable here.
Can we say 1 egg? I have 1 egg.
Yeah, I say maybe.
If you can say I have 1 egg in my hand, or I have 1 apple, then it's countable, right?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Okay, so eggs are countable. But here it's
Countable.
plural. Here, of course, it's plural because we have eggs. It's not 1 egg.
Eggs.
Eggs.
Yeah.
All right, so let's leave eggs. What about fruit?
Fruit uncountable.
Correct. Fruit is uncountable. Big bag of oranges. What do you think?
Oranges. Uncountable oranges.
You can't count oranges. You can't say 1 orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges, 4 oranges.
I can't here. I can't. But here, oranges countable here. I don't know. What fruit? Kind of a fruit here.
It's a kind of fruit, but can you count them or not?
Can't.
You can. You can say, I've got 1 orange in the bag, but my brother has 2 oranges. So you can.
Countable.
So it's countable. All right, apples?
Countable.
Countable also. Okay, so fruit again, uncountable. What about cheese?
Cheese uncountable.
Correct. Uncountable. What about water?
Countable water.
Is it countable?
Countable bottle. Bottle of water countable.
Yes, very good. Here, because we have bottle, the bottle is countable, but the water is not countable, right?
Yeah.
But here we're not talking about water, we're talking about the bottle.
Bottle.
Yeah. All right. So let's use blue for countable words. So here for blue, we've got the countable words. So we've got eggs, countable. We've got oranges, countable. We've got apples, countable. What else?
Cotton.
And bottle.
Cotton.
Yeah, correct. All right. So these are the countable words, right? Now we have to decide, are the words questions or plurals? Questions or positive or negative, right?
Okay.
So let's start. Hi, I'm at the supermarket. Have we got any bread? So yes.
Yes, we have got any bread, but we haven't got some wrong here.
Okay, you can change your answers if you want. What do you want to change?
and some better.
Okay. And here, what did we use? Positive or negative?
Negative here. Any.
Okay. What about number 2 here?
Yes, we have got any. We have got.
Is this positive or negative?
Positive here. Positive. We use the sum.
Mm-hmm. So should we change any to some? Do you want to change it or leave it?
Just 1 minute. Any bread. Some.
Okay. What about here? So we need
Better. Wrong here.
What do you need?
Some better.
Okay.
Is there? There's some milk. Any milk here?
Okay.
Any milk? No, there isn't. And we need some. Okay. Some meat and some eggs. Any eggs? No. And eggs here.
Is it singular or plural?
Plural here.
Can we use
Any.
a? Can we use a and an for? Eggs?
No. Any eggs here.
Is it a question or negative?
Not a question. No, some.
Okay. All right. What about
Right.
here?
Right. Have we got any fruit? Okay, here.
Okay.
We have got a big bag of oranges, but we haven't got any apples.
Okay.
Okay, I will get some more fruit.
Okay.
And cheese. Wrong here. Some cheese.
Okay. Let's cover it.
And can you get a big bottle of water too? Okay, here. Yes, okay.
Okay. Now let's check the answers. What do you think? Do you think all of the answers are correct or not correct now?
No, on you this.
No, not me. This is you. I just told you the rule and you changed them. So it's not me. Okay, let's check. Let's see.
Okay.
Let's find out.
Recording 5.6.
Hi, I'm at the supermarket. Have we got any bread?
Yes, we've got some bread, but we haven't got any butter.
Okay, so we need some butter. Is there any milk?
No, there isn't. And we need some meat and some eggs.
Right. Have we got any fruit?
We've got a big bag of oranges, but we haven't got any apples.
Okay, I'll get some more fruit. And some cheese.
And can you get a big bottle of water too?
Yes, okay. See you later. Bye.
Okay. All right, so all of the answers are correct. Very nice.